Sabe ya my Ghana ye nua ho nsem na se bia bebre no a ebeye ahabamono meche green no ntino kwa Asantehene ntemu a otumfo setutu abibio wagina mu ma wo mo apaw eye Green Ghana Day no eho entoma na no otumfo Asantehene ekyerese Asantehene ntemu amanse mpotem ho no mo no sade o manfo do no asensa se bitu galamse ne braso so no akodo kobusa hemfo de sansa se na hye wonsa ne se ade nti no mo kwa mo bosa brasansa emwa ama Green Ghana dwumadie no enkoyi.
Any day an Asantehene otumfo se totoso emienu apa Green Ghana Day ho entoma ewo Great Hall Kano Sisuapon mu botai ni nyina ne se ebetimi Ghana ebetimi adua enua beye opipi edu na Asantehene otumfo se tutu enkasa mu editu dwa se afi etwa mu no okan se emiamia hudu obi etu galamse ewo Asantehene ntem ha se no obebo apro wopene ne edi atu dwa se woba betu ho anamon pa
It is very sad that despite the several measures government has been putting in place to curb this menace, illegal logging and illegal mining continue to pose a threat to our forests. It means that government cannot do it alone. We must all get involved and support government to come to grips with these matters. My chiefs know that I've been speaking about this. And I'm not happy with chiefs in Amansia area where Galamsey has taken over the land. And I say to them that if you sit there and you claim that you don't know what is happening, then you are not fit to be a chief over there. So these are matters that we are going to take it up again. And I don't care whose goals it is, because we have to enforce it. And I have to start with my chiefs first, and then government has to deal with the other ones. All have to take matters seriously to be able to bring them.